Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make green bang bang shrimp. Okay, so now you must have eaten bang bang shrimp at the restaurants and it's a very popular dish, very popular appetizer. But I'd like to create this thing a bit differently. And so I haven't made my own kind of shrimp. So I got this nice breaded shrimp with coconut. And this is what we're gonna fry. And for this, I'm gonna use my green chutney, which is 5 teaspoons of this green chutney. The water is taken out. I'm gonna add mayonnaise to this. Here we go. This is our good mayonnaise. And the sriracha sauce to give that zing, the hotness to it, okay? So get this, mix it up, get it all room temperature. Now this is ready with the sauce, okay? Now off we go to fry the shrimp. Okay, so all we're gonna do is fry the shrimp and get it nice and crispy. You've gotta take it out little thawed, 4 at a time. Get it nice and crispy. And just let it fry till it's ready. There you go. So this is store-bought shrimp. This is coconut shrimp. Now you can also make whatever kind of shrimp you want in tempura batter or any other, like cornstarch is just good. Okay, so you can get that, and this is done now. We drain this right here. I'll get my other shrimp into it. There we are. I'll try and put all of them here. Okay, so now this is, we got about, oh wow, they look nice and crispy and nice. So this is when we're gonna turn this off. We're just making 2 portions. And so really, now when it is nice and hot, this is when you're gonna finish it and get it ready, okay? Okay, next, when you're serving this thing, it's very important that you serve this very nicely. You can use a martini glass, or in this case, we're gonna use this. And then this is how you're gonna cut it. Roll all this lettuce leaves and then cut it in round like this. Like it's called a chiffonade. You wrap it around and cut it like this so it's not chopped, it's round. Okay, so you got all this ready here. Now usually for my guests, when I serve it, I usually want to give this as an appetizer, not to fill them up, because then nobody eats the main food. So in this case, we're gonna make 2 portions. So you want to put this just loosely here in this bowl and get it ready. And now for the second one. So now we have what do you call a healthy alternative to a salad, which is very tasty. Okay, here we go. So now we're gonna cook the shrimp up and I'll show you how to finish it up. Okay, so now we're gonna make this bang bang shrimp. Okay, so now you wanna let this just heat a little bit. This is the fried shrimp to get it a little crispy. Okay, so now to this, our room temperature, the green sriracha and this sauce, and there you go. Just move it around really fast in this sauce. Oh my God, I can smell the cilantro and everything in this. and just saute it with a bit. Now turn it off. Let it envelop everything. Okay, so now we are ready. We are ready to put this on our, to present this. Okay, so now all you do is present this like this. 2, 1, 2, and 3. Now if you want, you can add some more. But here's a bang bang shrimp. Enjoy, voila, here's a perfect presentation for a good appetizer. Okay, it's time to taste our green bang bang shrimp. And let's see. Oh my god, it's really yummy because of the coconut chutney going into the coconut, the green chutney going into the coconut and absorbing that flavor. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!